purring for? Is it because you're a mummy now? Is it because you've got 5 babies? Is it? Is that what's making you happy?
All right, Toby.
You think Toby's going to be happy about 5 baby cats around? Oh, you're beautiful. Beautiful pussycat, and you still purring? Yeah. Because you're happy, mummy, aren't you? Oh, you go to sleep now.
That one's got to be the runt. I don't even think it's the smallest one.
Just the thickest one.
I think it's the fattest one.
Well, he can spare a little then. He can go a few hours before feeding. Fatty catty.
No, he's trying to eat a paw.
Hello, Lillian. You're a proud mummy, aren't you? Hey?